Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I got some good news that I want to put out there, especially if you're interested in the 3D printing realm. You should know the name Defense Distributed, since every anti-gunner has been attacking them for years now. And the case that has been going on for a long time has to do with the Attorney General of New Jersey suing Defense Distributed, who's in Texas, and trying to stop the dissemination of information, First Amendment violation, and that case has been going on for a while. I'm going to put on the screen right now a press release from the Second Amendment Foundation, who has been fighting this for since the beginning. And you can see here it says the Fifth Circuit rules against New Jersey in 3D gun ban case. The Second Amendment Foundation and Defense Distributed today are celebrating a court victory in a long-running battle to allow online publication of information related to 3D printing of firearms, thanks to a ruling by the 5th U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals that returns claims against the New Jersey Attorney General to its jurisdiction. And the press release here actually came out a couple days ago on, I believe, the 1st of the month. A district court order had wrongly severed the case against the New Jersey Attorney General from a lawsuit filed by the plaintiffs and transferring it to a federal court in New Jersey. Today's ruling in the Fifth Circuit redirects the district court in Texas to request retransfer from its counterpart in New Jersey. It's a huge victory for us, said Second Amendment Foundation founder and Executive Vice President Alan Gottlieb, because New Jersey wanted to be severed from our legal action in their effort to prevent publication of the information by Defense Distributed, thus violating the company's and Second Amendment Foundation's First Amendment rights to protect the exercise of Second Amendment rights. This effort began when anti-gun attorneys general, led by Washington State Attorney General Bob Ferguson, filed suit in the Western District of Washington to enjoin the State Department from authorizing the release of Defense Distributed's files on the internet under a settlement from a previous Second Amendment Foundation and Defense Distributed lawsuit. That effort was an offshoot of attempts by then New Jersey AG Gubrier Gruwal and several of his peers to prevent the plaintiff's distribution of materials related to the 3D printing of firearms. Writing for the majority, Circuit Judge Edith H. Jones stated, quote, "Correctly assessed, the New Jersey Attorney General did not carry its burden to clearly demonstrate that transfer is clearly more appropriate than the plaintiff's choice of forum. The district court erred legally and factually in virtually every aspect of this issue, and its decision, which has unnecessarily lengthened this litigation even more, represents a clear abuse of discretion for which mandamus is an appropriate remedy." An earlier ruling by the Fifth Circuit panel held that the New Jersey Attorney General is subject to the jurisdiction of Texas courts, in this case because Defense Distributed is a Texas-based company. Today, the Fifth Circuit ruling directs the district court to 1. Vacate its order dated April 19, 2021 that severed Defense Distributed's claims against the New Jersey Attorney General and transferred them to the United States District Court for the District of New Jersey. 2. Request the District of New Jersey to return the transferred case to the Western District of Texas, Austin Division. And 3. After return, to reconsolidate Defense Distributed's case against the New Jersey Attorney General back into the case still pending against the State Department. This case has dragged on for years, Gottlieb noted. What today's ruling clearly demonstrates is that the attorneys general who violate our First and Second Amendment rights will be held to answer by the courts whenever the violations occur. New Jersey Attorney General wanted their case severed and transferred, and now that will not happen. It's unfortunate that justice has been delayed so long. It's time to move forward. This is a case we fully expect to win. Now, I've covered this case. I'll try to remember to pin the previous videos above. And I've talked to people within Defense Distributed about this for years now. Years. This case has been going on for a long time. They're doing a hell of a job there. Defense Distributed, if you're not familiar with them, make yourself familiar with them, because they're trying to put out information that is free to distribute on the internet. And they also make some fantastic machines that can help you along the way. Congratulations to Second Amendment Foundation and to Defense Distributed for getting this case back. For those who might not understand the legal jargon, this lawsuit a while ago was taken from Texas and put back into New Jersey, which is obviously where the New Jersey Attorney General wanted it, because it's his state. It's an anti-gun state. But the case has to do with Defense Distributed and their operation, and they operate in Texas. That's good. It's really good. This case is going to move forward now, and I think this is an easy win, especially for the district that they're in. So good news here, Second Amendment related, a 3D printing case getting closer to the end. The government wants to, well, the attorneys general want to stop this information from getting out. And of course, Defense Distributed said, hey, this is the First Amendment. You can't stop this. This is one of our rights. It's protected and enshrined within the United States Constitution. And I agree. What do you guys think down below? Whether or not 3D printing is your thing, information should never be stomped out by the tyrant governors, attorney generals, Congress. You get it. Till we see each other again, be safe, stay vigilant, carry a gun to keep you, your friends, your family, your community safe. Guys and gals, that is exactly what makes the tyrants quiver. Take care.